Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be showing y'all how to do my SheaButter mix cream, hair cream. So stay tuned for that. So now I will be putting my SheaButter in here using this in here so it can melt on down and do what it so it can melt on down so I can get this thing going. May take a while for me to, well, not for me, but for it to soften up. And this is what it was looking like while it's still formed. As you see, it's starting to melt a little bit. What I'm about to do is stir it up a little. Mm. Why are you hollering, waking me up? See, it's almost there. It's getting there. I had to add some more shea butter to it so it can get right and form right the way I want it. But what I'm going to do is put these over in here so it can simmer and get in there. But when I'm done with it, the cream, I'm gonna take these out. I'm just letting it simmer in there because it's gonna match the oils that I had made too. Be right back. And I have all my oils in 1 cup. I measured it out and all that, so and I'm gonna put it over in there. It's all my oils. Then I'm gonna stir it up. So I put in my olive oil, my black Jamaican castor oil. I put in my grapeseed oil and my almond oil for this. This is what it's looking like now. So what I'm about to do now is stir it up. And then I'm going to put it in a bowl so that I can do my other mix cream too. It's the same thing, but it's not going to be enough. So I'm going to make sure that it is enough. And then I come back with the final results of it melted down because I'm gonna have to put it in the. I'm sorry, my camera had ran out of storage, but I'm pulling it over in here. That's just some of it. I'm gonna have to do another batch and probably another one, and then because I got this little bow, so if I had a bigger bow, it would have been fine and dandy. But yeah, I'll be right back. I'm sorry, I thought that I had my mic on, but this is the third batch, and this is how much I got out of it. But when I get through blending it and all that stuff, it will be fuller than that. But this is my cream, my shea butter cream. But this is my shea butter cream that I'll be doing. With this, you can't put it on dirty hair, dirty scalp, nothing like that, because it's not going to do right. And when you don't wash your hair or nothing, you're not going to see the results of your hair growing or whatever the case may be that you want it to do. But I'm sorry, y'all. My camera keeps saying low storage, and I'm not a storage, but I fixed it. But how you want to do this cream right here, you have to put a dime on your finger, take it and rub it and put it on the ends of your hair. If you got frizzy hair and want your hair to be straight at the ends, take it and just do like this on your ends. Don't be just rubbing it all on there like that. Just take it and on your ends, make sure it's in there good, and then you comb it out, brush it out some more. You come and brush it out, whatever which one. I would prefer the brush, but you brush your ends, and then you take the flat iron and flat iron it down. That does wonders on your hair if it's frizzy. But for but I prefer you to wash your hair first, put a dime on your finger, and go down your scalp with it. Not a whole bunch, because it doesn't take that much. That's how I do my stuff. But now I'm stirring it some more. To get this right in here, I'm gonna take these out of it. I'm just letting it simmer in there so it can get right in there. This is what I'm doing to it, stirring it. Then after when it cool down a little, I'm gonna put these little oils in it. Stay tuned. So I got rosemary oil, and I'm gonna drop it in there. And I'm gonna stir it. Let rosemary smell good as it is. Then this. And stir it around. Where you said this one go? Stir it right on up. Then the relaxation. Then I stir that up with it. lemongrass oil. Stir it. Then you have the peppermint oil. Stir it up. So what I'm about to do now is put it in the freezer. Well, I'm gonna take these out. These. Take them out. And then I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Cover it up and put it in the freezer for like 30 minutes. So or less. Depends on how, but I'm gonna get it and put it in there. And I'll be back. Okay, this is what it looks like out of the freezer. Looks like this. So what I'm going to do is take the blender and blend it. And as you can see, it looks like icing whipped. So what I'm going to do is use this bag right here. Use this and put my stuff in here. And I'll be right back. So I'm going to put it in there. I gotta take the thing out because it wouldn't do right. And I think I put it in there wrong. But anyways. And this is what it looks like. I made this for somebody. But the rest of it's gonna be in my jar that I'm gonna be selling. I didn't do my oils yet in my jar, in the jar thing. But yeah, this is what it turned out to look like. Okay, now this is the one that I'm be selling right here. Yeah. What friend number? Well, my hands is clean, so you know. This one is a different one. I'll get done. Hold on. Come right back. I had to pat it down. Probably only gonna get 2 of them out of here. I used to have more than that, but I had to do one for this person, so I didn't get to, do all of them. I usually have about like 3 or 4 of them that's left, well, that I do every time. So yeah. Thanks for watching my channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you will know when I post another video. Bye bye.